Welcome to the Attrition Insights app demo. Attrition Insights delivers transparent, AI-driven turnover forecasts in Workday by harnessing advanced machine learning and a dynamic generative AI explanation brain. It provides real-time predictions at enterprise, team, and individual levels, translating complex risk factors into clear, expert-informed narratives. Let's begin on the risk overview screen, where you can see the main metrics for any group of interest. Let's filter to the supervisory organizations, human resources, sales and marketing, and finance and administration for the London location. In the top left, the chart shows the group's average risk is above the company baseline. Below that is a comparison of risk across the selected areas for the London team. And to the right, we see that 50% of employees in our selection are at risk of leaving within the next year. Next, to understand the why behind these numbers, we'll go to the diagnostics page. At the top is an analysis of variable importance in predicting employee risk. The most influential factor for this group is supervisory organization, followed by cost center and base pay range. Diving into supervisory organization, we notice that belonging to sales increases the modeled risk of attrition, especially given the relative size of that organization compared to the others. Then, if we examine compensation, we can see a clear uptick in risk for employees in the lower pay bands, although overall, the base pay range variable is more evenly distributed in importance. Let's move on to the Insights page to see how these drivers interact. Here, you'll find a summary of behavior for our group and a side-by-side comparison of the top 3 contributors most to attrition and to retention. To dig deeper, click Get Insights. With AI assistance, you can quickly surface explanations. For example, we might infer that the higher risk in sales reflects particularly competitive practices in that sector. Finally, we can view the full list of employees in our filtered group to analyze each case individually. Let's look at Diane Warwick. For Diane, we see she's among the highest risk employees both within her group and across the entire company. On the right, the breakdown shows that her elevated risk is mainly due to her being in sales, which is partly offset by her location in London and her salary range. Thanks for watching this demo. Let's get in touch to help your organization make turnover management a more efficient and impactful process with our Attrition Insights app.